Understanding the phrase, "come to the table," in English. Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll be diving into the meaning and usage of the phrase, "come to the table," in English. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can really enhance your English language skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, "come to the table," can be understood in its literal sense. Imagine a scenario where someone is inviting others to physically approach or join them at a table. This is often used in contexts like family dinners, meetings, or gatherings where a table is a central place for interaction. Beyond its literal meaning, "come to the table" is widely used figuratively. It means to bring something of value or importance to a discussion, negotiation, or project. For example, in a business meeting, if someone is asked to come to the table, it means they are being invited to contribute their ideas, expertise, or resources. 3.1 in negotiations. In negotiation settings, "come to the table" implies that parties are expected to bring their proposals, open minds, and a willingness to find common ground. 3.2 in collaborative projects. In teamwork or collaborative projects, this phrase suggests that each member should bring their unique skills and contributions to ensure the success of the project. 3.3 in social and family contexts. In a more personal setting, like within a family or group of friends, it can imply a need for open discussion, sharing ideas, or simply being present and involved. 1. The union and management need to come to the table with a willingness to compromise. 2. For our community project to succeed, everyone must come to the table with their best ideas. 3. During family meetings, it's important that all members come to the table and share their thoughts openly. "Come to the table" is a versatile phrase used in various contexts, from business to personal relationships. Understanding and using this phrase correctly can greatly enhance your communication skills in English. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.